Hey guys, so welcome to another video. Today we are going to review Bluehost web hosting service. They have been in the web hosting business since a long time, and when you go to their website, the first thing you see is this. They have been recommended by WordPress.org since 2005. And you can just verify this. Go to WordPress.org/hosting, and you can see here the first recommendation of hosting is Bluehost. You can see they have been powering 2 million websites. They provide the service to a lot of websites, and WordPress.org themselves recommend them that you can read here. Bluehost offers the ultimate WordPress platform tuned for WordPress, and they offer this WordPress centric dashboard along with one-click installation. And they provide all the essentials that anyone need to create a website, which I will tell you more about later. And I have been using their service for a few months now. I purchased their web hosting for creating tutorials and testing purpose. So I will show you the performance results of the hosting. So you can see here, this is my website I purchased from Bluehost. And here, if you see the uptime, you can see here, this website is up since last 2144 plus hours. So that's really a long time, and the downtime you see is when I was testing. So that time the monitor went down, but there was no issue from Bluehost. I have also done stress testing on Bluehost web server, and you can see that video as well. Just check the link in the description. Bluehost has really impressed me with their amazing uptime and the performance of their response time. You can see their performance. The response time is really great except for these few spikes, but otherwise the uptime, the performance of this web hosting is really great. And before telling you more about Bluehost, I want to put a disclaimer that I am a affiliate partner with Bluehost. So whenever you go and purchase web hosting from Bluehost using my affiliate link, I will get a commission, and you don't have to pay anything extra. Instead, you will get the best promotion offer running, as Bluehost keeps sending me emails about the promotion. So I update that in the description. This video is completely unbiased and based upon facts. And the best thing is, if for any reason you are not satisfied with Bluehost service, they have a 30-day money back guarantee policy. I will show you. Here you can see here this, they have this money back guarantee policy. Try us and you will love them. If not, you can get a refund within 30 days of signing up. So if you have any doubt, you need any clarification, you can just call the helpline. And if for any reason you don't like the service, you can always ask for a refund. You can read more about the refund policy on their website. I will put a link to that as well in the description. Now, talking about the features, the three most important features that every website owner would need is first a free SSL certificate, because it has become essential. If you don't have an SSL certificate, Google will not rank your website higher, and your website visitors will not trust your website because they will see a huge error, right, that this website is not secure, and no one wants to see that. And the second thing is, you need a premium good quality CDN service to make your website load really fast, no matter where your user is located. Your server may be in US, but some of your website visitor may be from Europe or Asia or Africa. So to make sure that your website loads fast in every region, you need a good quality premium CDN service. And the third thing is a custom domain email support, especially if you're creating a website for your business or even for personal use. You need a professional looking email. You do not need an email like hello@gmail.com. You need to use an email like contact@ your website support.com or something like that. You need a custom domain email address, and with Bluehost you get all these three services included with all your plans. And as extra bonus feature, you also get a 1 year free domain with all their plans included. Now, talking about the user experience, Bluehost makes sure that you have the best experience possible, especially if you're creating your website for the first time. All you have to do is just go to the link in the description, go to Bluehost website, purchase your web hosting package. You will get a free domain name, you get free SSL certificate, you get free premium Cloudflare CDN, and amazing support with this. You do not have to worry about buying a domain from some other website and then updating the name server and all that stuff. That will take a lot of time. Those things are not hard, but if you're a beginner, you're just getting started out, you do not want stress and you want to have the most seamless and easy experience, then I would recommend you to go with Bluehost. Now, talking about the user experience and customer support service, unlike a lot of other hosting providers, now most hosting providers these days do not have a 24/7 helpline phone support. They have either chat support or email support, and their customer support team do not works 24/7. So if unfortunately you are living in a different time zone than the customer support time zone of your web hosting provider, you will have really a tough time to get your tickets resolved. With Bluehost, you do not have to worry about it. No matter where you live, they have a 24/7 helpline. And last, in terms of user experience, Bluehost has created this their own custom interface, which makes it so easy to manage the control panel of your website. Here you can see they have simplified everything. Like you go to home section and you see all this option to customize your WordPress website. You can also directly log into your WordPress. You do not have to enter username and password. Just log into the control panel and that's it. You can also go. They have also provided shortcut to edit your WordPress website. And recently they have added this new feature of website builder that gets integrated with WordPress. So it's not a separate website builder, it gets integrated with WordPress. So you don't have to pay again extra for a website builder. You can use the Bluehost website builder service. I will very soon also create a very detailed tutorial about the Bluehost website builder service. And if you have multiple websites, you can check them here in my sites. And if you need the SEO tools and things, you can go to Marketplace. For email, there's again a shortcut here. For all your domain settings, again, there is a shortcut. And if you want to see the advanced settings, you can also do that. Just click on this advanced option and Bluehost will directly take you to the control panel settings. Again, this is really awesome feature. Nowadays, a lot of web hosting providers are using their custom control panel. But the problem is most of the tutorials you will find everywhere on the internet are based upon cPanel because it was the most used control panel. So with Bluehost, it becomes really easy to manage your website. And the last most important thing when you are purchasing a web hosting service is their pricing. Now, Bluehost again offers amazing pricing, especially if you go for the longer term plans. For other cheap web hosting services, you will have to pay extra for the CDN service, for the SSL certificate, and then you will not get a 24/7 phone support. So, overall, you will end up paying much more and wasting a lot more time. So, if you're a beginner, you want to create your first website,